This literature kit on The Egypt Game by Zilpha Keatley-Snyder challenges students with higher-order questions, encouraging an understanding of literary elements. 55 pages chock full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Explain how statements from the text are examples of foreshadowing. Use examples of personification from the novel to create a sentence where a car is described as a person. Complete sentences from the book with their missing words. Match vocabulary words found in the novel with their meanings. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as writing a message to a classmate using Egyptian hieroglyphics. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Complete a sequence chart detailing up to 6 events from the story by stating what happened and how it was essential to the plot. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.